day, guys. My name is Mistarina Victor, and I'll be doing the gel electrophoresis lab for this exam. First, we need to know all about gel electrophoresis. So gel electrophoresis is a process/technique used to separate DNA fragments based on their size. So it involves running an electrical current through the gel, and the molecules that we're doing. So if they have large molecules in the gel, it will take, they will move slowly through the gel. Or if there's smaller molecules, they will move quickly through the gel. So in this experiment, we're gonna do that with food coloring. Yeah. So in the next slide, you will see all the materials that you need, including gloves. We're gonna shape the stainless steel you have to the box. So you're gonna shape it, and then after you're done, you're gonna curl the ends and do it like that. So it has to shape like the container I have here. So next, we're not gonna do the powder version of the agar for the gel mold. So if you have the bottle, you're gonna just melt. You're gonna put this bottle in the microwave, melt it, and check to see if it's melted. And then you just put another container like this cup and keep melting until you get, watery substance. So that's what we're gonna do. See, we're putting it in the microwave. Keep checking the bottle, so you don't burn down your house. Keep checking the bottle, and yeah, make sure the gel starts to melt. And then when you do that, we're gonna put it in a container and melt it again. I will get right back with you. This bottle is hot, as you can see, and we're gonna check if some of the gel melted. Oh, this is watery. I think that's enough. Yeah, and go and put that back. I think it's watery. It's good. It's good. So we're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Not a lot, guys. So we got our baking soda here, and we're gonna add it to the gel mixture. And we're gonna mix it. Do a little shabam, and I'm gonna melt it again for 20 more seconds, and then we're gonna let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll get back to you, and then we're gonna go on from there, guys. Batteries in the meantime while the gel is cooling down. So make sure they're all opposite like this. Then let's get with this and do it like this. Make sure you press it down with all force, and do that same thing again. Twist it around. Press it with all force. Now, the red one, guys, get your alligator clips. The red one is for the negative end, and the black one is for the positive. The black one, which is the positive, to the positive end. Control yourself. Next, we're gonna add the red one, to the negative. Yeah, you get the gist, guys. You get the gist. And just set aside for now. Alright, guys. So the gel has cooled down. Yeah. Now we get our container. Guys, get your container and your bootleg gel cone. So we're gonna say at the end, just like that, just like this. And we're gonna slowly add the gel mix. Just slowly add it. We're gonna put a timer for 2 hours. I'm gonna let it cool down. Waiting for the gel to cool down, we're gonna do our food coloring. So you're gonna need, of course, coloring, corn syrup, little cups to mix it in, water, guys, and the little pipette. We're gonna prepare. You're gonna get water, and then you're gonna put 3 milliliters of water in each cup. That's what we're gonna do. So 3 mils. This is a small one. We're gonna have to do this 3 times, 6 times, if you get the gist. So yeah. So you put one, and we're gonna do this for all the 6 cups. And I'll get back with you. So guys, I come back. So I put water in all the 3 cups, and we're gonna do 0.5 millimeters of corn syrup. Add the 0.5 millimeters of corn syrup to each water. This does it adds density like you saw in the video, and yeah. Okay, after you're done with the corn syrup, we're gonna do 2 drops of food dye. Since there's only 4, we're gonna do a mixture of colors for the last 2. So yeah, mixture 2 drops. So we're gonna start with I think this is the red. This is the red. Start with 2 drops. 1, 2. So look. See how it looks? Okay, then I'm back, guys. The gel has now set. So now we're gonna do is slowly take out the gel cone. So you do it slowly. Look, okay. Okay, now we're going to cut each end to, cut each end for the stainless steel. So, and now you're gonna take it out slowly. After you've done, the cutting and thing, we're gonna do the buffer solution. So you have to do 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and then 200 milliliters of water. So that's what I did here, and you make. Now that we put the buffer solution, we're gonna put the stainless steel, on each end. Smart. And yeah, we're gonna put that aside for now. And we're gonna get our batteries that we assembled already. Okay guys, we're gonna start this. So disclaimer, do not connect the negative end to the battery yet. We're gonna do that when we put the colors after. So now we're gonna connect the positive side to the farthest from the well. So we're doing this. That's one. And then we're gonna connect the negative closest to the well. Now after you did your battery, we're gonna put the full coloring into one of the wells. Please be careful. So, ooh. After you finish, put your full color, you're gonna place, place the negative to the power supply. Is mostly in the front, and then you see the red in the middle and the blue in the end. Can't really see that clearly, but yeah. In conclusion, this experiment was half a failure. So it didn't exactly separate. It just kept moving in a I don't know what to say. It just kept moving. It didn't separate, just moved. The purple and the orange seem to have disappeared. So I don't know what happened to that. But it's only the yellow mixed with orange, red, and blue that seems to move. The blue one seems a little slower than the rest. So yeah, that's what happened in this lab. Thank you for watching. Thank you.